Welcome to this mini Spanish lesson with Sugar Astronaut. Let's learn something new about Spanish. If you want to watch the complete lesson, you can find a link to it in the video description down below. The next meaning is to allow or to let. This one is quite interesting because you can use dejar if you want to say, will you let me help you? This is one of the most common uses of the verb dejar when it means to allow or to let. Let's look at an example. Déjame ayudarte. Déjame ayudarte. This means let me help you. This one is very, very easy, very common. We're just offering some help. That's it. You can even just remember this phrase, and it's a really good one to learn, by the way. Let's break this down. Déjame means let me. Deja is the verb dejar, and me is a reflexive pronoun that means me. So deja in this situation means let, and me means me. Okay? Ayudarte, ayudarte. Ayudar means help, okay? And when you add te, that means you, okay? So this is another reflexive pronoun. Déjame ayudarte, let me help you. Excellent. Let me show you another example when dejar means to allow. El jefe nos deja trabajar desde casa. Okay? El jefe nos deja trabajar desde casa. This means the boss allows us to work from home. Okay, let's break this down. El jefe means the boss, of course. The jefe, boss. Nos means us. Deja, nos deja means allows us. Okay? The boss allows us. Trabajar means work. Deja, let's include to because allows to do something, right? Trabajar means to work or work. Desde, from. Casa, home. El jefe nos deja trabajar desde casa. Deja is the verb dejar conjugated. So in this situation, we see that dejar means to allow. Essentially, we're talking about allowing and letting something happen. I want to give a big shout out to our Cafecito members: Christopher Michael, Ruby Brockenberry, Michael Lee, Regulation D, Hanko Juan, Christine Mache, Wadi Bader, Formula Air JSC, Alan K, James Torma, Judy Baldock, Geraldo Sandoval, and also Log Tran. Muchas gracias.